German food or Indian food?
Indian food.
Online learning or offline learning?
Online learning.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee.
Chocolate or ice cream?
Chocolate.
हेलो जी दोस्तों, राम राम। आज मैं मिलाने ले जा रही हूँ आपको चारू शर्मा से। तो आइए मिलते हैं चारू शर्मा से। हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू ग्लोबल भाषा एकेडमी। आप सभी का स्वागत है एक बार फिर से कार शो में, जहाँ पे आज हमें ज्वाइन किया है चारू शर्मा ने, जो कि जर्मन इंटर्न है और उन्हें 1 मंथ कंप्लीट हो चुका है हमारे साथ इंटर्नशिप करते हुए। सो ओवर टू यू चारू, अपने बारे में कुछ बताएं हमारे दर्शकों को।
Hello everyone, my name is Charu Sharma and currently I am working with Global Bharsha Academy as a German intern. As well, I am a student in Amit University doing bachelor's in German honors.
Great. So Charu, why you have choose German language? Like, it's a foreign language, so why you have choose specifically German, not Spanish or French?
As Germany gives too much opportunities us to build our career as well in technology, and personally I'm having interest in learning a new language, so I had just choose German language.
Wow, so inspiring for the learners also. Why you have choose Global Bhasha Academy? Can you tell me the specific reason?
If I say not specifically for an internship, like college teachers had asked me to do internship, but not for personally, not for my own interest. I had joined internship, but for gaining new things, experiencing new things and yeah, I am experiencing new things in Global Bharsha Academy.
Okay, so let me just tell me that how would your friend describe you in 3 words? So your nature basically.
Dedication for
Okay.
my work, as well I am creative enough.
Yeah, we can see that. Even you can also see Global Bhasha Academy page have so many videos of Charu.
And yeah, hardworking also.
Great. Okay, so let's talk about the internship. So basically, have you learned any new skill during this 1 month?
Absolute. I had learned too many things. Like while working with ma'am or sir, I had built my confidence. Like my confidence is too low before this. And now I am confidently much enough to interact people easily.
Okay. Also, which German word or phrase is your favorite? Can you tell?
Phrase I can tell. Übung macht den Meister, which means like practice makes a man perfect,
Perfect.
right? So like I personally think कि अगर हम एक चीज को कंसिस्टेंसी अपनी लाइफ में करते रहेंगे तो it will definitely give us our brightest future.
Okay. So now I want to know, what are your career goals? Like, doing this internship, you are here for only 2 months, but later on, what you have planned?
I had planned, like if I got an opportunity to work with you guys, so I will continue definitely. And another thing, I want to like get a successful future in my life while learning a new language, while applying language skills in my career as well.
So inspiring. If you don't mind, Charu, may I know your age?
21.
So you are 21 right now, and you already have planned that, okay, I will learn a language and then make my career in a different perspective. So can you tell me, there is specific reason not choosing the normal subject like the bachelor's of humanities basically?
हाँ.
So why you have not choose that and you have choose language as a main honors? Because nowadays institutes and embassy also provide A1, A2, B1. Why specifically you choose that, okay, I will do honors in this specific language?
Firstly, ये crowd से हटाता है. हर कोई bachelor's in English, political science, history, everyone is doing that.
So
But
true.
it makes me different from the crowd. So that's why personally I had choose degree in German honor specifically. And another thing is like diploma, advanced diploma, no one is asking that. But
So true.
what you are doing, in which subject particularly you are doing your degree, that matters a lot in life.
Okay. सो चारू, अब हम आपसे कुछ 2 क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे। पहला क्वेश्चन है दैट व्हाट मेक ग्लोबल भाषा एकेडमी डिफरेंट from other language learning platforms and specifically the AI?
Global Bharsha Academy provides us a good environment, welcoming environment, as well with professional, both. It is a combination of both. So
ओके चारू, तो अब हम आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कि आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा ग्लोबल भाषा एकेडमी में काम करके, और ग्लोबल भाषा एकेडमी बाकी एकेडमी और लर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म से डिफरेंट क्यों है?
मेरा एक्सपीरियंस एब्सोल्युटली वंडरफुल है अभी तक, और आगे भी रहेगा. टोटली लाइक आई एम कॉन्फिडेंट इन दिस. और ये अलग इसीलिए है क्योंकि जो हमारे मेंटोर्स हैं वो वो बहुत ज़्यादा हमारे को गाइडेंस प्रोवाइड कर देते हैं अपने आप ही. लाइक हमारे को कोई टास्क मिलता है तो हमारे को चैट जीपीटी की साइड नहीं जाना है या किसी भी प्लेटफॉर्म पर नहीं जाना पड़ता. वी कैन डायरेक्टली आस्क विद आवर मेंटोर्स. इट मीन्स लाइक ये ही सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, यही इंपॉर्टेंट होता है जब हम एक इंटर्नशिप करते हैं. हमारे को अच्छी गाइडेंस मिल रही है या नहीं मिल रही, तो we can contact in Global Bharsha Academy directly from our mentors.
Okay, so basically you are saying that you will recommend other students also
Yeah,
to join Global Bharsha
absolutely.
Academy for internship?
Absolutely, without any doubt. Not for only for an internship, but as Global Bharsha Academy used to provide classes to students, I will definitely recommend school students to just join Global Bharsha Academy without any doubt.
Also, you are also working with Global Bharsha Academy, so you are also the part of the family, so you can use we now.
Okay,
Okay.
fine.
Okay, so that's all from my end. I just want to conclude it with just a small rapid fire so that people can know more about the funny side or maybe the important side of you. German food or Indian food?
Indian food.
Online learning or offline learning?
Online learning.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee.
Chocolate or ice cream?
Chocolate.
So for you, there is a chocolate.
Thank you.
Okay, so we will finish this off. And before we end, there is a message you would like to share. If any message you would like to share to the people who are watching, so over to you.
Yeah. So just hurry up and join Global Bharsha Academy without any doubt. Like experience was extremely good, wonderful. मतलब मैं क्या ही तारीफें करूँ ग्लोबल भाषा अकेडमी की. नो वर्ड्स. इतना अच्छा है. द एनवायरनमेंट इज आल्सो गुड.
Thank you, Charu. Thank you, Charu, for joining today. We wish you the best for your internship and for your journey. And everyone watching here, if you have enjoyed it, don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and every day we will be posting some interesting language related facts for you. So follow now. Bye bye.